Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about extraction of candlenut oil for organic cosmetic application for hair growth and skin moisturizer. The cluster group for our product is cluster F, which is for health, medical, pharmaceutical and food and supplement. The project member for our project is T.S. Dr. Nabiha binti Abdullah, Ms. Nurul Samsa binti Baharudin, Puan Nur Aisyah binti Mak Yahya, T.S. Dr. Suhaila binti Abdullah, T.S. Dr. Nur Azlina binti Hashim, Puan Lili Syakira binti Hassan, and Puan Nurul Aniyah binti Muhammad Sobri. What is the raw material that we use? The raw material is buah keras, or the scientific name is Alurats mollicanus. The oil from buah keras have been used in pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry. The method that we use is solvent technique. What is solvent technique? Solvent technique is a technique that we immerse the raw material in the solvent. For example, ethanol, methanol, or hexane. For novelty, the novelty for our product is simple oil extraction using solvent immersion. Next is innovation of balm using candlenut oil. The last one is produce candlenut as hair softening and hair growth. Next is practically. Why we do the research? It is because too much chemical uses in cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry that can affect consumer health such as cancer or kidney. So that it is an alternative to use candlenut oil in cosmetic as the substitute for the chemicals. In future, we can also produce cleanser and makeup remover from the oil of candlenut. Next is commercial potentialities. The first one is organic and natural hair care. Next is no harsh chemical. Next, smooth and healthier. Next, easily uses for all ages. And the last one is no animal derivative ingredients in the product. Green or sustainability. What is green sustainability? It is referred to all aspects of environmentally friendly products. The method we use is eco-friendly, which means that a product won't harm the environment. The first step is we immerse candlenut with ethanol for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we will filter the sample for 50 minutes using a vacuum filter. After we get the mixture of oil and solvent, we will start the rotavapor process to separate the mixture of oil and solvent. After the time that we set, we will get recovery oil of candlenut. Next, for data analysis. This project is based on oil extraction from candlenut. The main purpose of this study is to extract essential oil from candlenut using two types of solvent, which are ethanol and methanol, and to investigate the pH value of the oil. The solvent that have been used to observe the difference of chemical compounds and physical properties from the candlenut. The method, namely is rotavapor, has been explored for extracting oil from candlenut. The chemical compounds of oil were determined by using Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, or FTIR. The highest candlenut oil that we get is 17.5% for ethanol as a solvent. For pH value for ethanol and methanol oil extraction of candlenut, the value is 7, and for commercial oil is 6. However, for FTIR, based on the research before, it showed that all of the three oil extraction was in the same functional group, which is ester. Candlenut oil functional group are very similar to those found in triglycerol or TAG, which make up the majority of fats and oils at approximately 78%. This is the product, which is the Balm moisture. Next is application on how to use the balm. Firstly, you need to take a piece size of balm, then apply gently on your hair. After the application, your hair will look shiny, smooth, and healthier. What is the achievement for our research is we apply the method of Candlenut Moisture Balm successfully registered under my IPO to protect the copyright of the product. Next is academic recognition. We have submitted one scientific paper to the International Journal of Synergy in Engineering and Technology. That's all for me. Thank you very much.